Hello, and welcome back to Naturalhub. Welcome to our in-depth exploration of the incredible health benefits and natural remedies found in pumpkin seeds, a treasure trove of wellness waiting to be discovered. Today, we embark on a comprehensive journey to unveil the myriad benefits and healing potentials of pumpkin seeds, nature's gift for a healthier life. Beyond their delicious taste, pumpkin seeds are brimming with essential nutrients that can transform your well-being from the inside out. Let's begin by delving into the profound impact of pumpkin seeds on heart health. Within these tiny seeds lies a wealth of magnesium, a mineral vital for maintaining healthy blood pressure and supporting optimal heart function. Additionally, their omega-3 fatty acids play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and promoting heart resilience. But the wonders of pumpkin seeds extend far beyond cardiovascular care. Did you know they can also play a pivotal role in fortifying your immune system? Bursting with zinc, an essential mineral for immune health, pumpkin seeds empower your body's defense mechanisms against infections and bolster resilience against common illnesses. Now let's venture into the realm of beauty and holistic well-being, where pumpkin seeds truly shine. Embraced as a timeless beauty secret, pumpkin seed oil, enriched with vitamins E and K, nourishes the skin and promotes luscious hair growth, offering a natural solution for radiant beauty from within. And for those seeking natural remedies and holistic healing, pumpkin seeds offer a treasure trove of possibilities. Throughout history, pumpkin seeds have been revered for their therapeutic benefits, ranging from easing insomnia to alleviating bladder irritations and offering support for prostate health in men. Whether consumed raw, roasted, or as an oil extract, their healing prowess remains unmatched. Now let's delve deeper into the culinary delights and creative uses of pumpkin seeds. From savory snacks to delectable desserts, pumpkin seeds add a nutritious and flavorful twist to a variety of dishes. Let's explore some mouth-watering recipes together. Whether sprinkled over salads, blended into creamy smoothies, or baked into crunchy granola bars, pumpkin seeds elevate the taste and nutrition of every dish. As we savor these delightful creations, let's not forget the sustainable and eco-friendly aspects of pumpkin seeds. Rich in nutrients and versatile in use, pumpkin seeds offer a sustainable food source that aligns with eco-conscious living, making them a win-win for both health and the planet. As we near the end of our journey, I encourage you to explore the endless possibilities that pumpkin seeds offer for a healthier, happier life. Embrace the bounty of nature with pumpkin seeds and unlock a world of holistic well-being, from heart health to immune support, beauty enhancement, and beyond. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening adventure. Until next time, may you thrive with the nourishing power of pumpkin seeds.